In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Kindle Create on KDP, a comprehensive tutorial designed for beginners. If you're new to Kindle Direct Publishing and want to format your manuscript to look professional, you're in the right place. This guide will help you navigate using Kindle Create to enhance your book's interior presentation before you publish it on KDP. So let's dive in. First, you'll want to download Kindle Create. It's a free tool provided by Amazon that turns your manuscript into a professional quality book layout. You can get it directly from the Amazon website, and it's compatible with both Windows and Mac. Simply visit the Kindle Create page and click on the download link that suits your operating system. Why is this step so important? Well, Kindle Create is designed to simplify the formatting process, meaning you don't need to have any graphic design expertise to make your manuscript look polished and ready for publication. Once you've got Kindle Create installed, the next step is to open your manuscript. Start by launching Kindle Create, and on the opening screen, you'll see an option to start a new project. Click on Open File, and then select the manuscript you want to work on. Remember, your manuscript should be in DOC or DOSX format, as these file types work best with Kindle Create. This step is crucial because it sets the foundation for everything else we'll be doing, ensuring that the text you input is prepared for the formatting process. After opening your manuscript, it's time to apply themes and formatting. This is where the magic happens. Kindle Create offers various themes that apply to the entire book, providing a consistent look and feel. You can choose from different fonts, chapter headings, and text layouts, tailoring the appearance of your book to fit the genre or your personal style. This not only makes your book aesthetically appealing, but also improves readability, critical for retaining your reader's interest. As you make adjustments, preview your changes using the preview pane to see how it will appear on devices such as e-readers, tablets, and smartphones. Now that you've applied your chosen themes and formatting and your manuscript is looking its best, it's time to export and upload your project to KDP. In Kindle Create, you'll need to hit the Generate button, which exports your formatted book into a file compatible with KDP. This file type is typically a KPF, which stands for Kindle Package Format. After you've generated this file, log into your KDP account. Navigate to your bookshelf, select the title you're working on, and upload the KPF file. Once uploaded, you can proceed with the publishing process, setting your price, distribution options, and more. And there you have it, a straightforward approach to using Kindle Create for your manuscript on KDP. I hope this tutorial demystifies the publishing process for you and empowers you to create a polished, professional-looking book. Remember, once you get the hang of these steps, the whole process becomes much simpler. Thanks for watching, and happy publishing.